With some simple materials and a little imagination, you can build the cat tree your feline friends have been dreaming about. Here's what you'll need. First, ensure the cat tree won't tip over by giving it a solid foundation. Cut two 24 by 30 inch pieces of half-inch thick plywood, then apply glue to fasten them together. A large, substantial base is especially important if you're building a very tall tree or you have multiple cats. Consider covering the base in carpet or an old rug to provide extra traction. Cut out a section several inches larger than your board, flip the material upside down, then place the board on top. Wrap it tightly over the board's edges, cutting away excess material to eliminate bulk. Secure it with 1/4 inch staples. Next, you can use sections of PVC pipe or cut 2x4s as your vertical supports. If using 2x4s, screw or nail two pieces together to create a square, more substantial post. Now, you can properly secure the posts to the plywood base with long wood screws so the tree is structurally sound. These supports also serve as enticing scratching posts when wrapped tightly with thick twine or rope. Use a combination of wood glue and hot glue to secure the twine or rope so it'll hold up well against little claws. Next, attach boards on top of the vertical supports so there are multiple platforms for jumping and lounging. Keep in mind, these boards shouldn't be as large or heavy as the tree's plywood base. Once cut to the desired shape and size, you can cover these with carpet too. Use long wood screws to secure the platforms to the tree. And, for added entertainment, fasten a toy to the posts or hang pom-poms on the underside of the platforms. If your cat likes to curl up in cozy corners, treat them to a custom cubby. Whether you build one from plywood or create one from sturdy cardboard, like this concrete form, your cat will be happy to check in and stay for a while. Then, give it a fresh coat of paint or cover it in carpet before securing it to the platform using wood glue or screws. Your cat will love its new hangout almost as much as it loves you. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.